Once upon a time, two close friends, James and Oliver, decided to travel through a dense forest. Before they set off, they promised to always stay together and help each other if danger ever came their way. They walked along a narrow path, talking cheerfully and enjoying the fresh air. Birds sang in the trees, and sunlight filtered through the branches. Everything seemed perfect. Suddenly, they heard a loud rustle in the bushes. Out of nowhere, a huge brown bear appeared on the path in front of them. James, without thinking, ran to the nearest tree and climbed up quickly, leaving Oliver behind. Oliver stood frozen for a moment, then remembered something he had once learned: that wild animal often ignores creatures that appear dead. He immediately lay down on the ground, closed his eyes, and held his breath. The bear slowly approached, sniffed around Oliver's face and body, and finally walked away, thinking the boy was dead. After the bear had gone, James came down from the tree. "That was close," he said nervously. "What did the bear say to you?" Oliver looked at him seriously and replied, "He told me never to trust a friend who runs away when danger arrives." James felt ashamed. He had left his friend in fear, and now he understood the value of true friendship. From that day forward, he tried to become a better friend, one who would stay no matter what.